The member for Boothby, and I give her the call.
Thank you, Speaker. My question is to the Minister for Industry and Science. What action is the Albanese Labor government taking to create manufacturing jobs, and what challenges is it facing?
Good question.
Give the call to the Minister for Industry and Science.
Thank you very much to the member for that question, who comes from South Australia. South Australians get it. 7,000 or close to 7,000 manufacturing firms there. They want to see Australia be a country that makes things because they recognise the huge job impact and boost that comes from that. Secure, long-term, strong jobs that come out of manufacturing. And there couldn't be an even greater point in time where we need to see this happen, where we need to rebuild manufacturing capability. The Treasurer indicated to the House the contribution of supply-side shocks to inflation happened under their watch, didn't do anything concrete about it, and at the point that we want to do something about it through a National Reconstruction Fund, what's the first thing they say? No. No to jobs, no to opportunity, no to growth, no to, in particular, people in the regions being able to have a chance to be involved. We said we would introduce a National Reconstruction Fund. We said it was important. We're getting on with the job of doing just that. Australia should be a country that makes things. It should be able to create jobs in our regions and our outer suburbs, and particularly ensure that Australians in those parts of our country will benefit from sustainable economic growth and have access to those jobs. And by the way, we want to create jobs in Aston, in Braddon, in Lindsay, in Casey, in Wide Bay, all the places that those opposite are denying us the chance and saying we should not have a fund that helps support regional manufacturers. I mean, they're prepared to dress in the high vis, they're never prepared to back it. Never ever prepared to back manufacturing workers and their businesses, content to do what they always do, which is to say no. We see a country, we have hope and we have belief that firms that need access to that capital, that want to be able to grow, we want to make sure that those firms never feel like they have to leave our shores to get support. We know that they deserve to get support. Mining science technology, food processing, transport manufacturing, medical devices and vaccines, renewables and low emissions technology, defence, all these areas that we see that activity that contribute to longer-term economic growth, deal with our supply-side challenges, create jobs. All very important. But again, on this side, about made in Australia, that side, made overseas. That's what they're all about. We're about building capability. They're about making sure we're continually dependent on overseas supply chains. We know we can do better, and we will.